Mentors are like time machines. They help you to travel time. They help you to achieve more. They help you to stop your failures. Hi, I'm Dhaval. Mentorship is one of the most important things we need to look after in our beginning of journey. Mentors are the guys who helps you to do more, achieve more, get better and become the best version of your life. We often fool ourselves that our parents is our mentors, our teacher is our mentor, our friends is our mentor, our colleagues are our mentor, our boss is our mentor. But don't fool yourself. I'll give you a simple example that will help you to understand that who is our real mentor. We take an example from past. We all heard a story of Mahabharata. There is a character named Arjuna. Arjuna was trained archery by Dronacharya. Dronacharya was his teacher. But does Dronacharya help him to become the greatest warrior of the planet at that time? No. Lord Krishna was the real mentor of Arjuna because he showed him the right path, because he showed him the right self of Arjuna, because he showed him the right responsibility he needs to serve to the planet. The mentor should be like that only, who shows you the real self, who criticizes you on the face. So I'll give you 5 quick ways by that you can figure out that this should be my mentor. Number 1, the guy should be hand holding you. Not many people are that lucky that they got people that can hand hold them. Think about the person who can handhold you and help you in your journey to achieve whatever you want to achieve. Number 2, he should be subject matter expert. If you want to do entrepreneurship, if you want to do some business, if you want to become a doctor, if you want to become an IAS, you should be thinking of the guy who is a subject matter expert. He should be expert at thing and he should have achieved something in that subject. Number 3, he should be a genuine value giver. Apart from you, he should be value giving to the world. He should be the guy who always want to serve and always want to help people around him. Number 4, he should be like a mirror. What does it mean? When you meet a people and when you meet some guy and he always talks sweet in front of you, does it make any difference? Rather than increasing your ego or increasing your self-praise? People are those who criticize you in front of your face because they helps you to grow as a person. They helps you to grow as a human. Number 5, he should be overall grooming yourself. Not he just being like a subject matter expert and telling you tricks and tips and experience regarding the subject. He should be helping you to grow as a character. He should be helping you as being a human being. He should be helping you as being a leader. The mentors are the best mentors who helps mentees to be the best leaders because they can teach and express their knowledge around the world by becoming another breed of mentors. So use these 5 points and figure out who is your mentor because mentorship is one of the most important aspect of our life. We need to have mentor. If we don't want to achieve something big in our life, then also we need to have a mentor to live this life as a right life. So have mentor, believe in yourself, believe in a guy and be the believer.